am going to show you how to write a recommendation on LinkedIn. So first of all, you need to log into your profile, and then you need to find the person whose work you're going to recommend. In my case, I'm going to recommend David Mendes da Silva. So I will end up on his profile and I'll find this More button here. Click on More, and you'll be given a number of choices. I will select Recommend. Then you'll need to answer these two prompts, and sometimes the choices aren't that great. So in this case, I'm going to pick that David and I worked together, but at different companies. And David's position at this time was that he was podcast host and producer at Papa PhD. That's his current position. Then it'll prompt me to go here to this window and write a recommendation. So I will do that and put it in here, and I'll press send. Once I press send, David receives a notification that I have written him a recommendation, and he has the chance to accept it and put it on, accept it, and in which case it shows up on his LinkedIn profile. Or he can ask me to make a revision. I may have made a typo, or perhaps there's something else that he's hoping that I can revise. Once it is accepted, it will show up here down below, right under this area, Skills and Endorsement. The recommendation you received will appear. So that's it, really easy. I hope that I can encourage you to write a recommendation for someone whose work you appreciate. Thanks.